Hey guys, Meggie here from the Mediterranean Kitchenette, and today we're gonna make an insanely tasty and really quick cauliflower hummus. All the ingredients will be listed for you guys at the end of the video, so let's get started. We would love to hear from you. Please leave your comments below. Thank you so much guys, and all the best from Meggie and Eva from Athens, Greece. Thank you so much for being here and for your support. If you fancy, subscribe for more, and thank you so much guys, and I see you the next time.